Ever worried about losing your website data? Let's make sure it never happens. Today, I'll show you 4 foolproof ways to back up your WordPress site. Hi, I'm Jade from Rapyd, the high-performance hosting platform your website deserves. Backing up your website is crucial to recover from any unexpected issues without losing your valuable content. There are different ways to back up your site, and today we'll explore the most common ones. First up, using a WordPress plugin. I recommend UpdraftPlus. It's easy, popular, and highly effective. Here's how to set it up. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, click Add New, and search for UpdraftPlus. Install and activate it. Once activated, go to Settings, then UpdraftPlus Backups, and click Backup Now. Updraft allows you to schedule backups and store them on remote locations like Dropbox or Google Drive. Next, let's back up a WordPress site using the cPanel Backup Wizard. Log into your cPanel account and find the Backup Wizard icon under the File section. Click on it, select Backup, then Full Backup. You'll need to choose where to save your backup, and you can save it on the server or download it to your computer. Then choose whether you'd like to receive an email notification when your backup is completed. Click Generate Backup. You'll be notified when the backup is complete and you can download it if needed. Now let's look at how to manually back up your WordPress site using FTP, which stands for File Transfer Protocol. Open your FTP client and connect to your web hosting. We are using FileZilla for this example. Now navigate to the root directory of your WordPress site. Download the entire WordPress directory to your computer. This includes all your website files. Finally, if you're a Rapyd Cloud's client, go to your Rapyd dashboard and click on Sites. Select the site that you want to create a backup for, then click on the Backups button below on the left side of the dashboard. Click on the Create Backup button. A pop-up will appear that allows you to set a backup description. This is optional, but once you create multiple backups, setting a description will help you remember why you created the backup. Wait a few moments and you should see your backup appear with the date, time, description, and size of the backup. This can then be used to restore or download later on. Rapyd Cloud supports your WordPress backup strategy seamlessly. Our robust hosting services not only ensure your website runs smoothly, but also integrate effortlessly with top WordPress backup solutions like UpdraftPlus. With Rapyd Cloud, you benefit from advanced security features, automated backup options, and reliable customer support to assist you every step of the way. Click the link in the description and try it for yourself. And there you have it, 4 different methods to back up your WordPress site, ensuring that you're prepared for any mishap. Remember, regular backups are a best practice that can save a lot of headaches. For more tips and tricks on managing your website efficiently, stay tuned, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. If you have any questions or need further help, drop a comment below or check out Rapyd's hosting solutions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.